And let's now bring you some good news from our planet. The Earth's protective ozone layer is now showing signs of recovery. That's according to a new United Nations report which says that ozone hole could completely heal in coming decades. It is all thanks to decades of global cooperation. A new bulletin from the United Nations World Meteorological Organization reveals that the ozone hole over Antarctica was smaller in last year, 2024, than recent years, a promising sign for both people and the planet. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres welcomed the findings, saying, "Today the ozone layer is healing," and adding that this progress proves what's possible when nations listen to science and take action. The healing process is largely credited to international agreements like the 1987 Montreal Protocol, which phased out harmful ozone-depleting substances used in products like refrigeration and aerosol sprays. According to WMO's 2024 ozone bulletin, more than 99% of these substances have now been eliminated, which paved the way for full recovery by the middle of this century. As the ozone now recovers, the risk of skin cancer, cataracts and environmental damage from UV exposure is expected to drop significantly. The bulletin even notes that the ozone hole that reached a peak mass deficit of 46.1 million tons in late September last year, below the average from 1990 to 2020. Scientists also observed a delayed onset and faster recovery, a signal they say shows early signs of real healing. This announcement comes as the world marks World Ozone Day and the 40th anniversary of the Vienna Convention, the first international treaty to recognize the dangers of stratospheric ozone depletion. The latest scientific assessments even suggest that the ozone layer could return to 1980 levels by 2066 over Antarctica, 2045 over the Arctic, and as early as 2040 across the rest of the globe. In current environmental policies, that is, if the current environmental policies stay in place.